In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book multi-city flights on Google Flights. First, open Google Flights in your browser. You'll land on the main dashboard, which is a clean search page designed to help you build your itinerary. At the top, you'll see fields for departure and destination, dates, passengers, and a trip type menu that usually defaults to round trip. Click that trip type drop-down. From the options, choose multi-city. This switches the layout so you can enter several routes in one itinerary, perfect for trips where you want to stop in different cities without backtracking. Now start entering your routes. In each line, type your departure city or airport and your arrival city or airport. For example, for the first leg, enter Manila to Tokyo. Then move to the next line and add your second flight, Tokyo to Seoul. If you need more segments, click Add Flight to create another line. For this example, we'll add a third leg, Seoul back to Manila. Use the airport suggestions that appear as you type to avoid mistakes, and feel free to use airport codes if you know them. Next, choose dates for each flight. Click the date field beside each leg and pick the specific day you plan to travel. You can space these out however your trip requires, maybe a few days in Tokyo before heading to Seoul, and then back home later. Take a moment to double check that each date matches the correct route so you don't accidentally swap segments. Once all your dates are set and the segments look right, click Search. Google Flights will pull results for each leg and present them together so you can compare options across the entire itinerary. From here, customize your flights. You can open each segment to see available departure times, aircraft, and connections. Use the filters to refine your results. Narrow by price, pick preferred airlines, select the number of stops like non-stop only, or limit total travel time to keep long connections in check. As you adjust filters, watch how the options update to match your preferences. When you're satisfied with the parameters, select flights for each leg. Click into a leg, choose the option that fits your schedule and budget, then move to the next leg and repeat. As you make selections, you'll see the total price and the full itinerary build on screen, helping you confirm that every segment lines up smoothly. A quick tip as you finalize, mixing airlines across different legs can sometimes unlock cheaper fares, especially on multi-city itineraries. And that's the process. Build your segments, set your dates, search, refine, and select. You're now ready to put together a seamless multi-city trip on Google Flights.